What's up, guys? Welcome back to Digital Connects. If you're in Nigeria and looking for real proven ways to make money online in 2025 using just your phone or laptop, this video is for you. The good news is you don't need big capital, and you don't even need a laptop to get started. In this video, I'll break down 4 simple and legit ways you can start earning online today in Nigeria, even if you're starting with just your phone. These methods work in 2025. They're beginner-friendly, and most importantly, they're not scams. And make sure you stick around till the end, because number 4 will completely blow your mind. It's something most people in Nigeria still don't know about, and it could earn you daily income with almost no skill. So grab a notepad and let's dive in. Let's dive into freelancing, one of the most flexible ways to earn online. Freelancing means offering your skills to clients worldwide, no degree needed, just talent or the drive to learn. In 2025, these services are hot: writing, voiceovers, data entry, social media management, and graphic design. I personally thrive in graphic design using Canva premium templates, easy and user-friendly. I create YouTube thumbnails, flyers, logos, ebook covers, and social media posts, all with a few clicks. Wondering where to find clients? Here's what works for me. Showcase 4 to 5 solid samples on WhatsApp status. Trust me, people notice. Join Facebook groups like Lagos Business Owners to connect with potential clients. Reach out to small businesses or influencers with your designs. Offer your help. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Naira to find gigs. Start small, be honest about your skills, and let your work speak for itself. Want access to the Canva templates I use? Comment, send me the premium link below. I'll send it to you directly. Don't wait. Design something today and start building your freelance hustle. No excuses. Trust me, you don't need to be an expert to get paid. You just need to show up, learn fast, and keep going. If I can do it, so can you. Next up is affiliate marketing. It's booming in Nigeria right now. So what is it? It's simple. You promote someone else's product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Imagine promoting a 40,000 Naira online course and earning 15,000 Naira per sale. Just 7 sales in a month? That's over 100,000 Naira. Here are some Nigerian-friendly platforms: Naira, Stakecut, Learnaflix, and Jumia Affiliate. You can promote through WhatsApp TV, Facebook groups, TikTok videos, status updates, or email newsletters. You don't need a huge following, just people who trust you. Pro tip: learn basic copywriting to write messages that drive action. It'll skyrocket your conversion rate. Next up, let's dive into the third method: content creation. I know some of you might be thinking, but I'm not funny, or I'm shy to show my face. Let me tell you, you don't need to be famous to make money as a creator in 2025. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are paying creators, even small ones. If you're camera shy, no worries. There are faceless content options that work just fine. Create tutorial videos with just your voice, or use free stock footage and narrate over it. Tools like Canva and CapCut can help you create engaging slideshow content. Try ideas like top 5 football moments in Nigeria, or how to start a business with 10,000 Naira. Once your content gains traction, you can monetize through the YouTube Partner Program or brand sponsorships. Even micro creators with just 1,000 followers are getting paid in Nigeria. So don't wait to be perfect. Use your phone, record what you know, and post consistently. Your first 5 videos might be bad. Mine were too. But guess what? The more you post, the better you'll get. Remember, your content is your asset. So don't wait for perfection, start now. Every video is a step towards improvement. Embrace the journey and keep creating. The fourth and final method is perfect for beginners. It's called microtasking. This is one of the easiest ways to make cash daily using just your phone. You can earn by doing simple tasks like subscribing to YouTube channels, following on Instagram, or watching ads. Legit platforms to try include Nairaworkers, OwoDaily, PicoWorkers, and YSense. You can earn between 100 to 500 Naira per task, adding up to 2,000 to 5,000 Naira daily. This method is great for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone needing extra cash. But remember, never pay random individuals, avoid get-rich-quick schemes, and always check reviews. Making money online can change your life fast. Some people do get rich overnight, but for most, it's about starting small, staying consistent, and building real income over time. I'm not a millionaire or a big YouTuber yet. I'm still growing, step by step. I'm figuring it out just like you. That's why I only share realistic, beginner-friendly tips that actually work here in Nigeria, not hype or fake promises. So here's a quick recap of what you've learned today. Freelancing. Offer services like writing or graphic design using tools like Canva. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn per sale. Content creation. Post videos on YouTube or TikTok, even without showing your face. Microtasks. Earn small daily income using platforms like Ysense, Nairaworkers, and more. And here's the best part. You can start with just your smartphone and zero or very small capital. All you need is data, time, and consistency. If this video helped you out, let's grow this small channel together. Hit that like button if you found value. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips. Drop a comment below, say I'm ready to start if you're serious about your journey. Or send me the premium link if you want access to the Canva Pro templates I use. More helpful videos are on the way, so keep pushing, keep learning, and always remember, I believe in your hustle.